Google keeps stopping as many Android users across the globe have been facing Google app crashing issue recently. So, if you have also been seeing the Google keeps stopping error on your Android phone, then in this video I will show you 4 methods to fix this problem. So, let us start. Method 1. Clear cache and data of Google app. You know, cleaning the cache on Android can help you fix many issues on the go. Launch Android Settings app. Go to Apps and Notifications. Find and tap Google from the app list, or you can use the search button on the top right corner to search for Google. Tap Force Stop. Tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Storage or Manage Space. Tap Clear All Data. Method 2. Uninstall Google App Updates. Since this issue is caused by an update, you can also try to fix the bug by uninstalling the latest update. Here's how to uninstall the latest update. From the right, tap on the 3 dots. Now select Uninstall All Updates, and then on OK to confirm. Method 3. Play Store Updates. Google has acknowledged the app crashing problem with the Google app on Android. Google will push out a new update to fix the crashing. Method 4. Disable Google app. You can also disable the Google app to fix the issue. As you know, forcing it stops all the background and foreground processes and can fix the crashing issue. So, that's how you can fix the Google keeps stopping issue on your Android phone. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, then click subscribe and join us.